Hello everybody, it's that time of the year again. It's Black Friday, everything's on sale, and I'm getting emails asking about which TradingView package is best and should I get it, should I not. Something that happens every year. I've been wanting to make a video about it for a long time, so here it is. I'm going to briefly go over the differences in the packages from my perspective and tell you the best way to get it and how to avoid getting a nasty surprise after you get it. There are links in the description for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. You get an extra 15 bucks off if you use those, from what I understand. Anyway, let's get in here and take a look. Okay, so let's just take a quick look through the different packages. There is the basic, which is free. This is perfect if you are just trying to get your feet wet and you want to be able to practice trading. You can use, as I did a video about this before, I'll put it up in the corner. You can use a CFD feed of the S&P to practice trade on. The data is free, it's real time. If you're to the point where you are wanting to get the data, the actual futures data, trade live, or just kind of get a little bit more into this, you would look at an essential or a premium plan. I have premium. These expert and ultimate, these are ridiculously expensive and give no added benefit to me. There are a few differences. Let's look at the prices first. These are the regular prices, okay? You play monthly, $15, $30, and $60. Now, do I think the premium is worth 60 bucks a month? For me, absolutely it is. I don't pay for it that way though. I pay for it once a year. $5.99 for the year, but I don't pay this much for it. At least I haven't for a long time since they've been offering Black Friday sales. And this is really important. If you use TradingView already, or if you're wanting to try it anytime in the next year, this is the only time of year to buy it. They have other sales, but they're never this good. If you already have it at a higher rate, you want to keep it for a year, you buy it on Black Friday to Cyber Monday, because that's the difference. 600 goes to 217, 150 goes to 126. That's a little better, but you still get an extra month. They reliably do this every year, and if it's something that you're going to use or you are using, you ought to be a good steward of your money and pay less when you know you can reliably pay less each year. So the last several years, I've done this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to extend mine. I'm good for my subscription still has another couple of months on it. So I'm going to pay them 217 bucks now. And then I'm good. I'll be good till probably in the spring of 2026. It's very important that if you do use TradingView that you get started on the cycle at Black Friday though, because at the end of your subscription, they will automatically charge you the renewal. So if I'm a current subscriber, if I do nothing, whenever my plan expires, they will charge me 600 bucks, the full price of the current plan I'm on. But every year, they give you the opportunity at Black Friday to extend it for the sale price. And the nice thing about TradingView in this way is they treat everybody the same. A lot of places, if you're a long-term customer, they hose you because they know they've got you and you're going to renew anyway, and they only give the best price to the new business. TradingView does it for everybody. So the first person who's never used this before, they pay $217 for the premium plan for 13 months, and me, who's been using this for 10 years or more, I get the opportunity to do that too. So I quite like how they do that. There's only a few things that matter to me between premium and essential. Plus is non-starter because it's the same price as premium when it's on sale, and you only buy it on sale. So the main differences to me is 2 charts per tab versus 8. I like my 8 charts. 5 saved chart layouts versus infinite. That's important to me. I have about 15 or so that I use. Second-based intervals. That means you can make a 15-second, 30-second chart, whatever. For me, I like that. I don't use that a lot, but I do use it, so I like to have it. Most of this stuff doesn't matter to me. Bar replay is very important if you're learning to trade, and especially if you're not able to trade the New York session or whatever session you're planning to trade. This allows you to play back the bars in real time and practice later at night after work, whatever, or do multiple sessions in a day when you have time to cram practice. This is only workable with the premium plan because data by the second, as in data with the resolution of once per second, is only available on premium. So if you're day trading on a 5-minute chart, you need a data update every second, not every minute. So that's something to keep in mind. As far as indicators and all that stuff go, they give you plenty of indicators. Even the free one, you get to have 1 indicator on your indicator. I don't care about that. Indicators per chart, 2, that's plenty. Essential gives you 5. I can put 25 on mine, which I'm never going to do. Volume footprints you get with premium. I don't really care about that. I look at it occasionally. Deep back testing, well, getting back to the bar replay, if you're a discretionary trader, back testing is limited value. Forward testing is what you need to do, and lots of it. The bar replay allows you to do more of that. Watch lists and alerts, I don't care because I don't use either of those. Don't use the screener. The data part is also important. Basic, it's free, so who cares? You don't get the fastest data flow, but you do get that with everything else. The big thing is, if you want to buy real-time data, you get to the point where maybe you've practiced on a free account for a while, or if you just want to be able to get access to real-time live data on the futures, you need at least the essential, because it then lets you buy the data through TradingView. If you want to practice trading futures in real time, you cannot do it for free. You can do it through a separate trading platform like Sierra Chart, which I love, and with that, it's going to cost you about $70 a month for your Sierra Chart subscription that either gives you their own data or allows you to use outside data, or you can do it through TradingView and buy the data from TradingView. Or you can do it through your broker and TradingView and then buy the data from either one. So in order to get real-time data on the futures, you can do that for $9.69 plus $7 from TradingView to buy the CME. So $17 a month, you can have real-time data. That is the best price that I know of in order to get that. If you do it through Sierra Chart or something like that, you're going to wind up paying $50 to $70. So it is the most cost-effective way to learn and get the real data that you need, the real-time data in the actual futures, and have much nicer charting platform to use for research and just for everything. The only downside is the lack of tick charts. I love my tick charts, and that's what I use Sierra Chart for. Only two things: execution and tick charts. That's it. The ease of use of TradingView versus Sierra Chart cannot be overstated. And I mean, I use both. That's the perfect combination, is both. But if I had to give one up, if I had to go without tick charts or go without all the things that TradingView gives me, I would have to give up the tick charts. Because you don't need tick charts to learn to trade. You don't need tick charts to trade, period. You can trade in a 2-minute or a 5-minute. And of course I use both. And for me, that's perfect and absolutely worth it. Sierra Chart is worth every cent of the $70 or whatever it costs for it and its data every month. But if I'm learning, and maybe if I don't want to put money in a trading account, because if you want to use a platform like Sierra Chart, you're going to need to have an open account with money sitting in it, even though you're just demo trading, and you're still going to have to pay for the platform and the data. Plus, your $500 or $1,000 or however much is sitting in your trading account while you're just learning and not trading. You have to park it there. If I'm just learning, maybe I don't want to do that. Average it out over the year. $17 plus $7 for your data. Under $25 a month to have real-time futures data and a fantastic charting and trading platform that does more than even I need. Or, $17 a month to have the basic with your data and still a very usable, easy to use, pleasant platform. You can trade on it. You can place orders through it. I've done it. It works just fine. Really, it is the most cost-effective, most fully featured way to get your data and a good trading platform for under $25 a month. I really don't think you can beat that. And if you're going to get it, this is the time to get it because it's the only time you get it for that price. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful to you guys. I hope it's been a good explanation. If you're watching this near the time of publication, I wish all my American friends a happy Thanksgiving weekend. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again.